Oh, he's still trying to get through it. This is a test, you guys, of how to stay positive when things go wrong. Came out from swimming class and my starter and my car went out. Now it's got to be towed to the house and I got to get a new starter. Still can't get through.
But like I said, I don't understand.
He is not going to be able to get through and then he ain't going to be able to get out. Bus is really going to try to maneuver through here. Huh?
I put lights on.
Okay, I'm just laughing at him though, trying to get through here. He gonna hit the front of... Oh, he touching the front of your truck. Wow. Sir. He wants to... Oh. I can't believe this bus. First of all, we ain't gonna be able to get out because of this bus. And we're gonna try to get through here. Wow. Sir. He wants to... Oh. You know, they say as soon as you pay your Mercedes off, things start going wrong. I tell you, I just paid $4,200 last year for something for the car. Now to start it. That's okay. It could be worse. So.
It could be worse.
Could be worse. Uh-oh. Bringing my car home now. Here go the truck. It's sitting on my grass.
So you okay?
I'm okay. Stop it. Oh, the brakes still work. Ain't that something?
At least right there.
Yep. It'll be sitting right there. Yep.
Okay.
Praise the Lord, you got it.
So you guys tried the gas?